gonna do it. Just a little bit on the edge here, because you don't want to make it where it's moving. Let's look up a little bit, because when the doors open, you don't want it to get stuck. That's perfect like that. And then you take the other part, which is, where did you go? Yep. That's the best it will be. Wow. It's super amazing. Alright. I'm just gonna go with this. I'm not gonna fool around looking for that other piece. I think I'm gonna leave that on there like that. I mean, I could cut it off, but I don't know, it looks kind of cool. I think it does. To be decided. Okay, then I had a key. Where are we gonna put the key? I guess it would make sense to have the key up here, right? Sort of, kind of. Let's put it I think like that would be best. Now I have to make some decisions on what I want to do on the sides. Do I want to leave it like this? I think I want cogs everywhere. I don't know why. I just think it would look kind of cool. Maybe I can cut out a couple more butterflies. Alright, so you guys have an idea. Next time I come back, we'll go ahead and gesso it. Bye! Here comes the fun part. We're going to gesso everything. So I just use this Walmart stuff. And I put, what do you call this? Wax paper underneath, because my table is always dirty. Alright, so that is it for now. I'm going to go ahead and do the whole thing. I'm going to come back. We're going to figure out what products we're going to use for painting it. It's either going to be shimmers, or it's going to be gelatos, or it could be mix. Bye.